So namaste, vanakkam everyone, and welcome
Namaste.
back to this special session by our dear Kumaran. And Kumaran, who is also known as Dr. Kumaran and has a lot of titles and awards, is originally from Puducherry and today is spreading the message of yoga around the world from Hong Kong. And again, someone who has remained connected with the parampara over the years. So very happy to have Kumaran present for us today. So over to you. The screen is yours. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Namaste, vanakkam, everyone. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity for the Gitananda Yoga. For special thanks to Dr. Sir. So today I'm going to the topic for the yogic way of the body opening, because when we practice the yoga posture, so we need to open up the body all everywhere. Then you can reach the pose very good. That means like warming up. But this one, not warming up, it's a yogic way of opening the body. So first, I'm start from the top to bottom. I mean the head to the feet. So first is the neck. Sit properly. Lock the shoulder and take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Turn your left side. So this is your maximum level, right? So you cannot make it completely. So again, take the breath in one more and exhale. You can turn completely, turn like this. See, now you have the complete turn. So without breath, you cannot make it. So again, come back, inhale, hold the breath, exhale in your right side. So still I cannot move that. So take one more breath and exhale. So when you do the left and right, you can all the tensions and tightness on your neck and the cervical completely releasing. So you can practice in 3 to 5 times. So now I do for only 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So now up and down. You can take your arms, interlock, use your thumb, put in your chin. Inhale, up, push as much you can, gently, and exhale. Now, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Same goes, take your arms and begin the head. Inhale, straight, exhale. You can push the chin, try to touch the chest as much you can. Make sure gently, don't force yourself. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. So next, we can do the shoulder. Then put and walk, front of the chest. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale here. Now try to your shoulder, go to touch on here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next one, left side. Exhale. Stretch as much you can. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. So this is for the shoulder stretch and your side, both side of the body. Now you do this chest opening. Put your hand on your knee. Look. Inhale, fully stretch. Exhale.
இல்ல உங்களுக்கு பால் நீங்க நடுவில் டீ விட்டுட்டு பால் பண்ணது கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருந்தது.
Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fully stretch. Just up. Exhale. Shoulder side way. Then you can inhale. Exhale. Hunch the back. Then when you do this, you have the shoulder blade will open up. Inhale. Exhale. Next, arms back into rock. Inhale straight. Exhale, lift the chest and roll your shoulder back. And slowly look up. Then this stretching your neck, shoulder, and your chest opening. And inhale front, come back the head. Exhale forward. Don't go too much, just this level enough. And chin touch the chest. Try to arms as much you can. Lift, 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 lift. Try your best as much you can. Like this. Then inhale, come back to position, straight. Exhale, lift the chest, shoulder, arms stretch back as much you can. Stretch your throat, looking up. Inhale, head down. Exhale, frame, stretch, up, 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 up. The next one, I'm going to stay in the shoulder side. Take your right hand, the big hand, touch the left side shoulder blade. And take the left hand, hold the elbow. The arms try to begin the head, sit straight properly, not hunch your back like this, sit straight. Then now you can pull back on your right hand as much you can. And same in the left. So I can show the back also so you can understand it easily. Right hand, shoulder blade, left hand elbow, pull back and sit properly. Then stretch. When you do the stretch here, we feel all the muscles and all this opening up. Then all the tensions are released. Then you can do the yoga pose very easily. Next, arms in the front. Karudasana position, but not the leg, only the hand. Just here. Elbow up in the front of the face. Take a breath. Exhale, fully stretch. This is completely up, complete upper body, full complete stretching, very nicely and beautifully. When you do this, it feels completely relaxing your upper body, up, up, up. Elbow, shoulder, shoulder blade, chest, and back, spinal, complete upper body will very good position for the releasing all the tension. And forward as much you can. If you can, try to touch the mat or the floor like this. Then inhale. First straight, then exhale, elbow up front of the face and go back as much you can. Inhale. Exhale. Complete exhale. And head down. Inhale up. Exhale, release. So now we can see the upper body all opening. Now we go to do the hip, the pelvic and lower back. Sit properly. Catch the knees, right? Right hand, hold your left knees. Left hand, not the palms, fingertips on the back. Inhale. Exhale. Again, exhale. Exhale. Completely stretch in the back. To the side, same, inhale, exhale. Show the back how to do that because of fingertips. See, why I am not put the palms? Once you palms put, the body will go down, getting down like this. So once you use the fingertips, the body will arms straight, also the body straight. So breathing is important. Watch me in the back. Inhale, exhale. Take a breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. See, now you can completely stretch 90 degrees. That's why I must to use the fingertips. The palms, body down like this. So you cannot move more. So that's why I use the fingertips for this. This is for the body opening for the yogic way. I'm not doing the pose. I'm not doing any asanas. So that's why you're thinking, in asanas, yes, of course, we can do the palms, but this is for the opening of the body. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Next, open the legs. Same, not the palms. Put the fingertips in front of you. Relaxing the legs first. Take a breath. Inhale, lift the chest, roll the shoulder, look up. Then exhale, then forward. Now slowly move the hand forward as much you can. Same the fingertips. Then complete exhale, try to forehead or chin touch the mat. If you want more stretching, then put the hand completely straight like this. Then now and back. Now you can do the hip opening and the side stretching part. Put the hand in front of you, left hand, right hand up. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. So after this level, try to elbow. After this level, try to elbow on the mat. Then keep on. Exhale, breathe. Try to touch the toes. If you can, try to hold the toes, big toes, and try to the elbow behind the head. The left hand go to the stretching this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This time you can feel the complete stretch on your back, lower back, and here for the spinal twist. Complete stretch, and then use your hand to lifting the body like that. Make sure you always take the breathing in, out like this. Whenever body go down, exhale. Whenever body up, inhale. And same the other side. So this position coming, and try to my elbow on the mat. Looking up, exhale, complete, and hold the toes. And elbow begin the head, same, looking up. Same. Now, butterfly pose, Mata Konasana. Hold the big toes, inhale. lift the chest up, exhale forward. Adjust in your bum back, then elbow on the mat, and head down. If you can, try to touch the toes, and more. If you can, touch the mat, and arms to the side, fingertips, and all over left side fingertips. Try to hold the weight, give to the left side leg, lift the right leg, and arm stretch as much you can. And come back, other side. Make sure the complete the leg include the knee on the mat, not lift, not a gap like that. This one we can lift. And back. Hold it. Stay a few seconds here. So this position also, now we can do the leg and upper body. This is for the lower part of the body, upper part of the body. This position, you can do the both stretching. Lower here, upper here. Stretch. Higher, 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 higher. Try to chin up, look front. Take a breathing. Exhale completely out. Yes, at the same time, upper body, lower body, make it more stretching and release the tightness of the whole body. Next one, same, open up, hold the leg, right hand, hold the toes, left hand, hold the heels. Then lift it up slowly, gently, 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 gently. Then completely try to close to the chest. If you can, try to touch the chest. These positions open up for the hip, the pelvic, and also for the thigh muscles, mainly for the thigh muscles. All the tension release for the thigh muscles. And the side. Release. It together, butterfly pose. Just relax the legs because of the tensions here. Make it relax. If you have any pain, catch the toes. Try to lift up, front of the chest. If you can, try to close the like this. Close, close, closer, closer. Then next, right leg, the left elbow lock. Right elbow lock the knee, right knee. Catch in the wrist, right or the left wrist. Sit straight properly. Try to the legs, close to the chest. So this one for you, completely stretching for the arm strength from here to here. And front and stretching back again. Front and back to again. Front and back to again. The same other leg. Front, switching and back. We can do the forward stretching for the back and the arm strength. You know this why the body opening up this. People say, many students, Master, I'm practicing yoga 6 months, 1 year, still I cannot go to touch the head and my Paschimottanasana. And I just simply say just one pose. So can I do this? Because why cannot do the Paschimottanasana? Go this arm string here fairly tight, and the lower back is the tight. Hamstring is tight, lower back is tight, and upper back tight. How you go? How you go down? This is the position to Paschimottanasana. You can do this. So warming up exercise in India, yes, they can do that. But here in Hong Kong, in Asian countries, uh, because I know I here already, so that's why I only go to the directly to the poses, 1 hour classes. In India, of course, they have the warming up exercise, then you do the yoga. So that's why here the opening the body, the separate classes here. That's why I want to choose this topic. Mainly, see, this is the position there. So that's why we open the body completely lower back, upper back, arms in completely six, then you can do that. So Paschimottanasana position here. Then do this first to open up the legs forward here. You can searching the right and the left, right and the left, right and the left. Then put a hand on the front of you, mat. Use the weight to the body, upper body, like this. Like 10 times you can do that like this, then slowly you can releasing the tightness of the back. Then opposite side stretching like this. And then now you can go to the Paschimottanasana, you can do the completely stretching that, like that. You can practice in here. So few more days, like 4 to 5 days, then you can go to touch your forehead to the knees. So this is the technique of the releasing the whole body back and arm strings. Next twisting part. Legs apart 1 feet, the mat level. This is a mat level with 1 feet exactly in the car. In the car mat, you can put the hand inhale, exhale, change the side. Put the hand, not the palms, fingertips. Lift the body, twist, 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 complete. Then, if you can, bend the elbow, go down, try to forehead, touch the mat. This is extremely quite difficult, but you can try it if you can. And back, inhale, exhale. Same twisting, Atha Machandrasana. Atha Machandrasana. This is Atha Machandrasana pose. But we're going to the opening the body, that's fine. No need to the elbow, just for holding the knee. Fingertips, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Also, you can use the Uddiyana Bandha. Then easy to twisting more. You're not going to use the Uddiyana Bandha, your abdomen or thigh will touch together, cannot. So exhale, Uddiyana Bandha, then turn it. And now we can do the stretching for the left leg. Hamstring stretch, weight, and lift the body straight, and arms and back, twist, twist, twist as much you can. Try to legs pull inside and arms also back as much you can. Try to finger palms, not like this, open up and full stretching. All the veins from the arms, elbow, wrist, especially for the wrist is stretching completely, full back, also your neck. Same other side. Hold it. Right. Pull in. Arms back. Open up. Fingers. Neck. When we do the meditation pose, normally we can do the Sukhasana, Batmasana, Vajrasana. Yeah, mostly the Batmasana, the people prefer to the meditation pose, but we cannot stay the long, more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. You get the pain. Why? Because of the ankle and the bone. So we can do that one for how to do the Batmasana, sitting in a little longer. Right leg on the thigh. So give the whole pressure for the right leg ankle and forward, forward, forward as much you can. Just holding here. After that, you need to move your body right and the left, right and the left. I show that side, then you can right. Here, give the whole weight on the right side leg, and now is the left side, right, left, right, and left. So when you do this, the ankle, all the tightness which is released and make it easy to hold a long time on the Padmasana pose. Same. See here. Left, right, left, right. Okay. Now, lotus here. After this, try to close a squeeze inside and exhale out. So now the ankle joint move easily like that. And also change the other side, both sides. So once you can practice this, then all the hip and pelvic joints will all loosening, mainly the ankle and also the bone here to touch here. So that's why you cannot sit long time on the Padmasana pose. So once you do this and relaxing and put here, now see, you can holding more than what 5 minutes meditation pose or 10 minutes meditation pose. And also you can practicing this. Like this. Okay, next one. Lie down on the abdomen. Elbow in front of you like this. Hold your right. Hold your right leg. Make it relax in the knee joint first. Then toes. Exhale. Exhale. Touching your butt like this. If you can, try to touch the mat. And ouch. And out. So this one also same the ankle joint relief and the knee and thigh muscles. And other side. First to do the knee joint and hold it, touch the butt. And take out, put tight again. Wait, tight again. If you can't, same, try to touch the mat. And when we do the poses, we need the core strength is very important. Without core strength, you cannot stay the pose longer. Any pose, even simple pose of the Vrikshasana, standing pose, tree pose. Also, you can use the core muscles, the tight, you can longer, you can hold it. I said just simple pose. Same, even you do the Paschimottanasana forward, you can use the Uddiyana Bandha and the tighten your pose, you can completely stretch. And any other advanced pose like a Mayurasana, peacock pose. You have the good core strength, you can hold in the longest, even you can do the single hand advanced pose also. So core strength is important. So now I can show the core strength for this. Very, very simple. Just lift it head, shoulder level, and both leg up. Try to legs closer and your toe pointed out, and try to chin up as much you can. Now, the beginning you can do like this if you can. More, so no need to do like this. You can hold the pose 10 counts, 20 counts, even 50 counts. It's good for your core strength. Not only for the core, your back, lower back, strengthening, and also the spine. Even the more higher upper, they go to the back, interlock, and stretching up high, and legs lifting up the sports like this. Make sure your legs straight, don't bend, and toe pointed out, not the flats, point out. And release. Next, to opening up this hip body. Legs up. Holding the toes. And try to stretching down here and up. And try to in front of you. This way. And back. Try to lifting up. And hold it in front of the chest. Try to body closer, closer, closer. Now you can feel it, the complete stretching in your back, butt area, and your thigh. And also the ankle. And show the leg in the back. Straight, little bit stretch, not fully. Just little bit stretch. And fold front of the chest and roll the body at the forward. And release it again. Wide out. Both leg up. Butterfly poses. So try to lift in front of your abdomen like this, or the chest. And try to open up. Happy baby pose. Left, right. Right, left, right, left. Give the pressure on your lower back. Don't lift the back buttocks like this. Your lower back on the mat. Right on your right side and left side of the lower back. So once you feel comfortable, try to open up a little bit like this. If you want completely open and just stretch the legs, so you can use the hand to hold the heels. Open up like this. Slowly you can do this. Focus the breath. And then completely stretch, and you can, if you want to open and touch the mat like that. And down. Next, the arm stretching. Lie down on the abdomen, right hand shoulder on the center of the mat. Legs once up at the feet, and left hand up. Breathing. Exhale to the other side. Complete. Relax the head and down. Try to fingertips touch the mat on the other side. Now the other side. Left hand, right hand up. And next for the shoulder. Right hand elbow, left hand elbow. These arms try to straight as much you can. These arms try to as much you can. Use your leg, toes on the mat. Try to body move forward like this. So now the hand in front of the chest, head, forehead on the mat. And go back the same. Change your arms. Left, right. Use the toe to move the body front, forward, and head on the mat. Lazy. Next one, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Inhale up. Arm straight. Now turn your left side. Inhale, plant, arm straight. Then exhale, slightly bend the elbow, turn your right side. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Next, downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Asana. Complete feet, full feet and the palms on the mat. Try to head down as much as you can. Now knee on the mat, elbow, right hand shoulder center of the mat, left hand up. Same. Wrist stretch. You want the more strength for the knees, then left leg reaching out. And left hand up. And hold the leg and hold it fully stretch. Fully stretch here. And hold weight on your right side shoulder, right side leg, knee. Just strengthen the muscles on the left leg, releasing the tightness of the thigh. Say one pose, you can get the true benefit. The one, the hand side, right leg, inhale, exhale, hold it. If you cannot, just do like this in the beginnings. If you can, hold. Left, inhale, exhale. Really. Arms back, interlock. Begin the head. Forehead on the mat, legs closer together, toe point out. Exhale. Inhale, legs up, at the same time, head up. Lifting up more. Try to elbow closer. Lift the leg as much as you can. Again, same, strengthen the core muscles and strengthen the back, spinal, and the lower back. Next one, how to do the stretching the wall or the mirror for the opening of the body. So it's the wall, yeah. 1 feet with the hand, stretching. Exhale. So this one, you focus on your shoulder blade, open for the upper back. Normally, you can do this opening for the upper back, middle back, lower back. Fully open up. Fully open up. You can do the many poses and also stretching the chest opening. And this in the hand, left, right hand. And you pose at the beginning like this, don't thinking the pose like this. After that, make it straight, leg straight, lift the chest and the chin. This is completely your arm stretching. So wrist, elbow, and the shoulder. And if you want to more, the heels up, bend the knees, stretch, 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 stretch. See now you see your elbow and shoulder. And listen. And after that, next to the wall, leg, body all touch the wall. Other hand hold the hip and take a breath in head. Exhale, turn your left side. Now you feel the stretching on the fully completely arms and open up for the left side shoulder. And same the other side. Hold the hip, body touching, leg touching the wall. Exhale. Next, the leg. Flex here. If you can't move higher, hold it, touch the knee. If you cannot touch the knees, just exhale, move the body like that. Before releasing the arm strings, tightness, and continue the other poses. Turn your right leg and turn your left leg and down. Hold it at both ankle and head down. The body between the leg. And in the leg, turn the leg. Mainly, you cannot do like this if you have to get the pain. So try to make the leg change the position. Then only you can forward. Next one. Against the wall or the mirror. Right leg knee on the mat. The legs on the wall. Other leg. Like this. Arms front, stretch, forward, forward, forward. Mhm. Now you can see this here. Yes, this is the position. And hand, leg. So don't touch the leg on the hip side. Only stretching here. Then you can do the twisting part here, like that. And forward. This. Stretch. Stay in the other side. First holding. Then twist. Arms, legs, right. Toes up. So these are the stretching part for the opening of the body. And a few more, then I can go to the finish it. Put the hand on the mat. Yeah, show how the workout for the wall stretching does. This is arm straight, yeah. See. So this is will help you in your opening all shoulder, elbow, wrist. So once you open the hip, you can completely sit on the mat long, long time without pain and tension. And next, I use some straps. Oh, even you have the rope also, you can use it. Inhale. Exhale. This is good for shoulders, chest, back, all opening. Even feel very good in stretching the body. Also, you can do the right and left side for the hip and twist for the lower back, right, left, right, left, and then back side. See here and try to roll the arms like this. You can see again like this, then up, up, down. If you can come to the up, back. Balance. One is roll. It's the normal rolling. This, then lifting up, up, down. Next, have the straps. With the lower back, release the tensions here. Just put on the hand on the abdomen. Focus on the lower back. Breathe in. Then breathe out. Try to weight on your lower back. Melt like a melt. Weight down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And if you want to more stretching, or want to more pressure, use bend your leg left, right, left, right. This is the lower and middle. Now put your hand on the ribcage, you breathing. Yeah. Go upper back, the arms, the back, leg straight. And put the hand on the back. Then go to try to touch the chest. Left, right. You can move your head left, right. So this is all for the body opening for the yogic way, what I'm teaching here. And why I choose this topic, when I was in the Ananda Ashramam, complete Chami Madam, Swamiji used the method of the teaching. I have it because, for example, people doing, students doing 8 to 9 years times, they can't do the Bhujangasana and the Dhanurasana. I still remember Swamiji walking, step on the back, stand on the back, lower back. They have some sound cracking sound coming out. After that, immediately do the Bhujangasana up and the Dhanurasana. So today is the Gitananda Yoga Festival. So my first thought, I remember that things happened before. Swamiji with me in the Kambucha near the swimming pool. That time, Mr. Gajendran Anna also is there. So that's why I wanted to choose this topic. So I hope you people, yogis, all enjoying. So anything else? Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
That was
Any doubt?
Absolutely beautiful. My only doubt is I don't know whether I can't stand straight on the ground, and I was just wondering how you stand. I cannot imagine doing many of those practices, but it was really beautiful.
Just do your best.
Yeah.
Just do your best. But this is for the beginning to the advanced level.
Yeah.
Because what I'm teaching here, because you know here advanced. So that's why. So no problem. Whatever, for example, I am asking to do this one right. If you cannot make it, just simple. Make it like a clear like this. This enough. Depend on the body. For me, I can do. For me, I do this. It's not used for me because my body type. No, in case the age, also the body type, slim, fat, and so on. So for me, I do this, no benefit. I do this, yes, I get benefit. Depend on the people, depend on the body shape, depend on the age. So this is for general for all.
Yeah. No, but some of the tips that you gave, especially for sitting in Padmasana and all, was really good. So I'm going to try to practice some of that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Very nice session.
Thank you.
And I'll just check with Dr. Sir whether he is there. Just call him.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kumaran. A very, very beautiful practices, and I think this will help a lot of people who want to work on opening up different parts of the body. Very beautifully done, and thank you for sharing your time with us. That is much valued. And we will now be taking a short break, and then we'll be coming up in another 25 minutes. We'll be meeting, so there's a 25-minute break, and then we'll be coming back for the next session. Thank you so much, Dr. Kumaran. Much appreciate your inputs.
Thank you, sir. Guruve Sarnam.
கண்டிப்பா நம்ம இது மீட்டிங்கை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம், தென் புது மீட்டிங் ஆரம்பிச்சிடும்.
Okay, sir.
தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you.